Is your Peachtree, now Sage 50, running slower than molasses in January? Let's get that sluggish software back on track with a quick guide on cleaning up your Peachtree files. First, always create a backup. Go to File, then Backup, and save a copy of your data to a safe location. This is your safety net if anything goes wrong. Next, run the built-in data verification tool usually found under File, then Utilities. Look for something like Data Verification or Integrity Check. This tool scans your data for errors and inconsistencies. Let it run its course. It may take a while depending on your file size. The Data Verification tool will flag any issues it finds. Pay close attention to the recommended actions. Sometimes, it can automatically fix minor problems. For more serious errors, you might need to rebuild or Reindex your data files. These options are often located in the same Utilities menu as the Data Verification tool. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Finally, archive or delete old data. Storing years of unnecessary data slows things down. Consider archiving older fiscal years to a separate location to keep your primary data file lean and mean. Remember to consult your accountant before deleting any financial data. And that's it. By regularly cleaning your Peachtree files, you'll improve performance, prevent data corruption, and keep your accounting software running smoothly. Don't forget to subscribe for more Peachtree tips and tricks.